This is Pioneer's DEH-S4200BT. This is an in-dash 1-DIN AM/FM CD receiver with built-in Bluetooth for both hands-free calling and wireless streaming audio. The DEH-S4200BT is compatible with Pioneer's Smart Sync app. The Smart Sync app intelligently brings maps, messages, and music together in your vehicle. When using the Pioneer Smart Sync app, the DEH-S4200BT features a 31-band EQ. The DEH-S4200BT is designed to work with your Android phone and your iPhone. It's compatible with both Pandora and Spotify, operating through your phone. It can play back MP3 and FLAC music files from a USB flash drive. Let's take a look and see what's in the box. Okay, so let's pop this open. And the first thing we see here is the wire harness. So this is the electrical wire harness, and we'll make all of the electrical connections from the in-dash receiver over to the vehicle through this harness. Those connections include power and ground and speakers, any type of electrical connection. Next up, we have some install screws and 1-DIN radio removal tools. So there's a bag of tools there for you for install. And next we have the Bluetooth microphone. So the Bluetooth microphone here is used to make hands-free Bluetooth phone calls, and it comes on a wire about 10 feet long or so for very flexible installation. Let's open up the flap, and under the flap here we have the quick start guide. And please remember that you can download a complete copy of the owner's manual in PDF form right onto your cell phone from pioneerelectronics.com. And we also have the warranty card here. Okay, there's the warranty card. All right, now let's pull the receiver up out of here. There we go. The front panel of the DEH-S4200BT has a large rotary volume knob here. Use this button to activate Pioneer's Dynamic Bass Enhancer system. When using the Pioneer Smart Sync app, the navigation button here will activate your favorite compatible nav app on your phone for turn-by-turn instructions. Use this button to make and receive hands-free Bluetooth phone calls. The CD slot is across the top. Radio station presets are here across the bottom. The auxiliary input is here. The USB port here can be used to charge your phone and play back MP3 or FLAC music files from a USB flash drive. And of course, detachable face security. On the back panel of the DEH-S4200BT, the AM/FM antenna from the vehicle will plug in right here. The wire harness connected to the vehicle will plug in right here. The Pioneer DEH-S4200BT has a built-in amplifier that is designed to power up to 4 speakers in your vehicle. The black jack on top here is to plug in the Bluetooth microphone included with the in-dash receiver. The one on the bottom is used for operating your steering wheel controls through a third-party adapter. And here are 2 sets of 2-volt RCA outputs for operating external amplifiers. They can be set up as front and rear output, or front and subwoofer outputs. And that is Pioneer's DEH-S4200BT. And what's in the box?